I am Mike Monteforti, and in this video I'm going to be talking about something I am really excited about. There are not many innovations in estate planning that come along like this new tool that I'm going to be talking about today. And that tool is what we call the 2020 Hindsight Trust. And trust me when I tell you tools like this come along maybe once in a decade. This thing is groundbreaking and it's revolutionary. Make sure that you watch the video all the way to the end because there's going to be a special offer for people that want to take advantage of this new tool. So what's so different about this trust? Well, let's start with how we used to do things. Under the old way of doing things, a trust was set up to disperse money to your beneficiaries, and we had to set a time when that disbursement would happen. It might be when they reach a certain age, or it might be given out a little bit at a time at varying age marks. But at some point, the trust is fully dispersed and everything has gone to the beneficiaries. Well, what's the problem with that? The old way of doing things provides no protection to your beneficiaries once they receive the money. So I'm talking about no protection from things like divorce, lawsuits, liabilities, car accidents, malpractice, business debts. Because once the money was dispersed, it belonged to them and it's fully available in a divorce situation, business debt situation, or lawsuits. Under the new way of doing things with this revolutionary 2020 Hindsight Trust, we've changed all that. We've given you a way to protect your beneficiaries' inheritance. Whether they're going through a divorce, whether they're dealing with a lawsuit, business debts, this new trust provides protection against all of that. And that's what's so amazing about it. Another really cool thing about it is that here in Massachusetts, Monteforti Law is the only law firm licensed to use this trust. So the only place that you're going to be able to get it is here. So how does it work? What this trust does is it gives us the benefit of hindsight. That's why we call it the Hindsight Trust. A lot of times when I talk to people, I tell them, well, we don't have a crystal ball. We don't know where your beneficiaries are going to be and what their position in life is going to be or what they're going to be dealing with when the trust is supposed to disperse to them. Well, this new trust gives us the benefit of having that crystal ball. That's because the trust can adjust based on whatever the beneficiary is dealing with in their lives. So if everything's going well in their lives, they've got full control over the money in the trust, they can use it however they choose or however you choose to allow them to access it. But if a storm comes, their spouse files for a divorce, or they get in a car accident and are dealing with a lawsuit, or they've got business debts, or in a profession where there are malpractice claims, that trust can effectively lock down the assets in trust until that storm passes, making the assets protected from a divorcing spouse or from business debts or other liabilities. So this trust gives us a way to lock down what's in trust, and once that storm passes, the trust gives us the option to then unlock it and open it back up and make it available to your beneficiaries again. So it's really amazing. We've never had anything like this before. It really gives us the benefit of almost being able to see into the future, because whatever happens with your beneficiaries, this trust can adjust to it and protect the money. Right now, we are having a special offer for any clients of ours that have done a revocable trust with us in the past. Because this new Hindsight Trust just came out, we are allowing you to amend your old revocable trust and turn it into a 2020 Hindsight Trust. The process is super simple. You don't have to have a meeting with the attorney if you don't want to. You don't have to do a phone call or a Zoom with us. We need very, very, very basic information that we can take from you, and we can amend your old trust and turn it into the new 2020 Hindsight Trust. Now, we are doing special pricing on this trust, and it's only for the first 50 clients that take advantage of this offer. I'm telling you, this thing is a game changer. It is awesome. If you have a revocable trust but want to protect your beneficiaries, you really need this. So make sure that you take advantage of it while you can get it at this special price.